Welcome to this video that introduces you to the Listening Selling Program, which is a program designed to help you develop the skills you need to be a successful and effective salesperson. Why study listening selling? Well, feedback from our participants shows that implementing what we teach can transform your sales results overnight, with some sellers seeing up to a 30% increase in conversion rate. Not only that, we can reduce your cost of sale and increase the value of your sales by giving you insights on how to build value in your customer conversations and how to qualify out those customers who are not worth talking to. Your time as a salesperson is precious, and you need to be able to use it to your best advantage and to the customers. The content of the Listening Selling Program has evolved from research into sales conversations going back almost 50 years, which has identified listening as the most important behavior for any salesperson. So what do we mean by listening? In this program, we use this definition from the hostage negotiator Richard Mullender, who describes it as the identification, selection, and interpretation of key words that the listener can use to turn information into intelligence, which in your case means winning more sales. Through our research, we have identified the following key words that sellers need to be listening out for in their sales conversations. Starting with relevant details of the customer's business situation to ensure that they are a suitable customer. Then understanding their aspirations and passions so you can build rapport. Uncovering and recognizing their problems, including the causes, consequences, and costs. Then turning these problems into what we call value payoffs. And finally uncovering what they require as a solution to solve their problems. In this program, we take you through a structured process for identifying, selecting, and interpreting these key words with your customers in order to win sales. We call our structured process the sustainable growth model, because by following it, you are more likely to win customers who will stay with your organization and deliver long-term success, which is what sustainable growth is all about. Stage 1 we call owning your core, which is about identifying and communicating the unique features of your product or service and how these features deliver value or impact so that you can create a distinctive value message. Stage 2 we call tuning into the market, which is looking out to the external environment and identifying the ideal customer organizations for your organization. Then profiling individual customer mindsets so that you can make a good match to their needs. Your analysis of your ideal customer should feed back into your distinctive value message, as you may need to revisit your ideas around what value you create for customers based on your analysis of the market. These two stages form the strategic part of the model, as you need to do this preparation before you move to the operational side and approach the market itself. Stage 3 is going to market, which starts with understanding the customer decision-making journey and mapping your customer stakeholders so that you can structure your sales process effectively, agree appropriate sales handovers, and measure progress through what we call the customer commit meter. The final stage we call connecting with customers, which focuses on the key words that make for effective customer conversations, which we divide into 3 parts: problems, value payoff, and match. The intelligence you gain from your customer conversations should not only feed back into your going to market approach, but also back into the strategic part of the model. So these are the modules that make up the listening selling learning journey. We take a blended and integrated approach to learning, which is a mixture of trainer-led check-in sessions to introduce a topic, short insight videos like this one for you to watch at your leisure, in-work tasks that you complete in the workplace, supported by coaching from the trainer, and finally a skills practice workshop to bring it all together. This is the end of this video introducing our listening selling program. To find out more about how this program can help you and your sales team, please get in touch.